Find the value of x squared plus y squared, where x plus y equals 7 and xy equals 12. Let me start with the common mistake students usually do. To solve this, students usually start with this important information in the question. Right, we can start with this, but how? They say x plus y equals 7. So they get result x squared plus y squared equals 7 squared. 7 squared is 49. And they are happy that they could answer this question in seconds. But let me ask you a question. Is this true? Absolutely not. We cannot use this way to solve this question. But how can we solve this question? To solve this question, right, I'm going to start with this important information, but how? Let me show you. X plus y equals 7. Then I'm going to raise both sides to the power of 2. It's going to be x plus y squared is 7 squared. But how can we solve x plus y squared? To solve this, I'm going to get help from an algebraic identity that says a plus b squared, the square of the sum of two terms, is going to be first term squared plus twice of the product of the first term and second term plus second term squared. So we need this algebraic identity to continue the solution. But let's use x and y instead of a and b to continue the solution. So x plus y squared is going to be first term squared plus twice of the product of the first term and second term plus second term squared. In the other side, we know x plus y squared equals 7 squared. 7 squared is 49. So we have x squared plus 2xy plus y squared equals 49. Now I'm going to use another important information in the question that says xy equals 12. So I can replace xy with 12. So it's going to be 12, then x plus y squared, that is x squared plus 2 times 12 is going to be 24 plus y squared is 49. Let's keep it here. Until here we did it well. Good job. But the question says find the value of x squared plus y squared. Here we have x squared plus 24 plus y squared. So to solve this, to find the value of x squared plus y squared, it is enough we transpose this 24 to the other side and change the sign of 24. So it's going to be x squared plus y squared is going to be 49 minus 24. And the last answer, x squared plus y squared is going to be 49 minus 24 or 25. And this is the correct answer. Remember, if you use different way to solve this question, please let me know. It always makes me happy to see how creative you guys can be. Have fun.